Compound interest, the magical force that can either make you rich or drown you in debt. It's a concept that seems simple on the surface, but its power is truly extraordinary. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, picking up more and more snow as it goes, growing larger and larger with each revolution. That's compound interest in a nutshell. At its core, compound interest is the interest you earn on both your initial investment and the interest that has already been added to your account. It's like a snowball effect, where your money grows exponentially over time. The key to harnessing the power of compound interest is time. The longer your money has to grow, the more powerful the effect becomes. Let's break it down with a simple example. Say you invest $1,000 in a savings account that earns 5% interest per year. At the end of the first year, you would earn $50 in interest, bringing your total to $1,050. In the second year, you would earn 5% interest on the new total of $1,050, which would be $52.50, bringing your total to $102.50, and so on and so forth. Now, let's fast forward 30 years. That initial $1,000 investment would have grown to over $4,300, thanks to the power of compound interest. That's more than 4 times your initial investment, all without you having to lift a finger. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a mighty oak tree over time. But compound interest isn't just a tool for growing your savings. It can also work against you if you're not careful. Take credit card debt, for example. When you carry a balance on your credit card, you're not just paying back the money you borrowed, you're also paying interest on that balance. And if you only make the minimum payments each month, that interest keeps compounding, growing larger and larger until it feels like an insurmountable mountain of debt. It's a vicious cycle that can trap you if you're not vigilant. That's why it's crucial to understand the power of compound interest and use it to your advantage whenever possible. Whether you're saving for retirement, investing in the stock market, or paying off debt, compound interest can be your best friend or your worst enemy. The beauty of compound interest is that it rewards patience and discipline. It's not about getting rich quick or making risky bets in the hopes of striking it big. It's about consistent, steady growth over time. It's about setting realistic goals, sticking to a plan, and letting the power of compounding work its magic. But here's the thing. Compound interest is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's not a magic bullet that will solve all your financial woes overnight. It requires careful planning, smart decision-making, and a long-term perspective. It's about making small sacrifices now for a brighter future later. So how can you make compound interest work for you? Start by setting clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, building an emergency fund, or planning for retirement, having a clear target in mind will help you stay focused and motivated. Next, automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts each month. This way, you won't even have to think about it, and you'll be less tempted to spend that money on frivolous purchases. Diversify your investments to minimize risk and maximize returns. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. This way, if one sector performs poorly, you won't lose everything. Finally, be patient and stay the course. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your wealth. It takes time for compound interest to work its magic, so don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay disciplined, stick to your plan, and trust in the power of compounding. In the end, compound interest is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals and secure your future. Whether you're just starting out in your career or nearing retirement, understanding and harnessing the power of compound interest can make all the difference in your financial well-being. So, embrace the snowball effect. Let your money work for you and watch as your wealth grows exponentially over time.